Hey y'all, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today's video is not really a tutorial, but I had to do a voiceover because my mic died that I use for my camera. But I'm starting off by filling in my brows. I still use the Morphe pomade in the shade Mocha. So yeah, I'm just filling in my eyebrows, and then you guys are gonna see me, of course, conceal them. Y'all, for some reason, I just cannot get into this like super light, natural feathered brow that people are doing. Maybe because I ain't got no eyebrows for real. I don't know, but I just really, for some reason, can't get into it. So I still use a pomade. However, I do kind of like the way it looks when people use a pencil, but I just cannot get off the pomade. Like, I just love the pomade. So to conceal my brows, I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer. I believe in this tutorial I'm using the number 15, but usually I would use a 13, which is also like, it's a highlighting shade for me, but it's not like a super light. This one is like extra because I was getting ready to go to a wedding, and so yeah, I just wanted to be extra that day. I ain't got cute in so long. I also ain't been to no wedding since I was like 7, so yeah, I did the most. But yeah, this is the number, I believe it's the number 15. But so yeah, like I said, my mic died, so I'm sorry if this audio doesn't sound the best. I'm kind of listening to it as I go, and I can kind of hear like the static. Anyway, y'all don't care about that, but anyway, so I'm going ahead and I'm priming my eyelids with the P. Louise base. I believe I used the number 5. It was either 5 or 3. But yeah, like I said, it's not a tutorial. I just really feel like the videos be interesting, like when y'all know what the person using. So yeah, I decided to still come on here and tell y'all what I'm using. So yeah, I'm priming my eyelids, and you know, we're gonna go ahead and blend that in. Oh, and y'all look at my bun. I was so excited. I did this bun by myself. It's so cute, y'all. But I feel like I'm back with so much energy. Like, I'm just so excited to be back. So this brown is coming from the 39A palette. I don't know the names of these eyeshadows. I've been lost a little clear sheet of paper that came in here. But yeah, I just grabbed the one that I felt like that was not closest to my skin tone, but a little bit darker. So once I get all of that blended or whatever, I'm going back in with the same brush I blended the base with, and I'm just tapping it in like the first half of my eyelid, and I went on top of that with a nude eyeshadow. Oh my god, somebody just texted me. Alright, so I'm using the Inglot eyeliner, I think that's how you say it, that comes like in a little pot or whatever, and I just did a basic line over my lid because I realized like how much fuller it makes my lashes look. Like, it's just like a seamless application when it comes to my lashes. So y'all been knew that. I don't know why I'm just now deciding to do that, but yeah, the lashes I'm using today are from Lashes by Xenae. I don't know exactly what style this is. I don't have the package in front of me, but yeah, they're from Lashes by Xenae. I'm gonna put her Instagram down below because she actually got a ton of cute lashes. Like, I love every pair of lashes that she sent me, and I was actually looking for her site the other day because I actually want to buy some from her because they're just so pretty and great quality. Okay, I'm priming with the Hydro Grip primer from Milk. That's what it's called. Y'all, mine is so old. I don't even know why I still got it. I was looking at my shelf the other day like, Kirsten, you need to get rid of some of this makeup because you done had it a little bit too long. So yeah, I need to definitely go to Sephora. But I decided to color correct because y'all, that mask messed up my skin. Like, what? My skin look a mess. But yeah, I decided to color correct a little bit. And I blended it with my finger because sometimes when I do it with a brush, my whole face just end up looking red. So I color corrected a little bit, and yeah, other than that, y'all, my skin look good. And I'm using the Too Faced almost said concealer. Let me slow down. I'm using the Too Faced. This is a mess, y'all. I talk entirely too fast, and y'all told me that. But this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, also in the shade Mocha. And yeah, we just blend it in with a Real Technique brush. I'm gonna slow down for real because I didn't realize how fast I was actually talking until I started getting tongue-tied. But I am using this foundation stick from Black Opal to contour my face. Y'all like to go ahead and cream contour, especially before I add my highlighter shade underneath my eyes. It just gives it a nice flawless blend. Like, I don't know, I just like doing the contour first. So for under the eyes, I'm using also Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Is it weird that I feel like recently I just now found like the perfect shades for my skin? Like the perfect shade of contour, the perfect shade of highlight that actually stands out for my skin tone. Like, that's crazy. I set underneath my eyes and like all my highlighted areas, of course, with the Morphe setting powder. Y'all, I really love this setting powder. And something else I started doing was like with my sponge, before I go in and set, of course my sponge is usually damp, so I just kind of squeeze it out with a towel first, because I realize sometimes like when it's too wet, it'll make you look patchy underneath your eyes, and that's not cute. So right here, this is actually foundation that I'm adding. It's not concealer. I added that because I feel like I looked like I didn't really get that area good with my foundation, and plus I wanted to clean up my contour. So now we're bronzing with the Fenty bronzer in the shade Coconutty, and so yeah, I just really love the way that looks on my skin. I'm contouring my nose with the exact same bronzer from Fenty. Y'all, look at my nose contour. My nose is already small. Like, people talk about me telling my nose was small, but y'all, it look even more snatched now. Like that, y'all, it looks so good. Y'all can see I added some mascara, and I added one individual lash from Ardell at the bottom, and I did add some bronzer, but the bronzer had a shimmer to it, so it looked like I put on highlighter. But yeah, I think I did put on some highlighter still. Y'all know me. Knowing me, I probably did put some highlighter on. I don't remember what highlighter I used though, but I know the bronzer came from one of the Juvia's Place palettes. But now I'm just lining my lips with a brown eyeliner. A brown lip liner. And I'm adding this gloss from NYX on top, and y'all, that completes this look. Y'all, this turned out really, really cute. I don't think I've ever done a soft glam like this on my channel. And yeah, I just really love it. Like, I really, really, really love the whole bronzy look. Like, it's gorgeous, y'all. I really like it. But y'all, that is it for this soft glam. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you, of course, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.